So some of you guys might have known that Rachel and I just had our first baby girl that we introduced into the world on January 23rd, 2022. And Rachel was in labor for 24 hours. It was unbelievable. I wanted to do something to surprise my new family, so I went to San Francisco and I drove over 13 hours, nothing compared to what she did, to pick up this new 22 Tesla Model X, and today I'm going to surprise her with it. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope that I earn your thumbs up. All right, check this out. So we just put our route to drive back to Arizona, and it's a nice little, 13-hour drive. So for those that want some details on this car, it's a 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid. The Plaid being one of the only upgrades that I did for this car, other than the full self-driving as well. So this car out the door came out to be a little bit over $144,000. And again, it's one of the first ones in Arizona. And let me show you at least one of my favorite things about this car. I'm not too sure if Rachel's gonna be the biggest fan of it, but it's the steering wheel. I think it's so unique, and I'm really excited to surprise her with it. And for those that are going to be wondering, what is it that I told Rachel I was doing right after having a newborn, and how did I justify being gone for over 13 hours? So I actually told her I buy and resell cars, and I buy and resell cars all the time. I'm really into buying and reselling supercars, and I recently bought a Ferrari F8. I told her that I found an SVJ in San Francisco. This was located in San Francisco, and that I needed to pick it up and orchestrate the whole deal to be able to bring it back to Arizona and then resell it. But actually, I picked up the Model X to surprise her. So what do you guys think? Yeah. Have you ever driven a go-kart or no?
No, never in my life, so this should be fun.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we got Rachel's mom that's gonna be driving the go-kart. You ready?
Woohoo, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Babe! What?
So, yesterday, I flew to San Francisco. I did. And I drove it back.
Drove?
I drove 13 hours.
Oh my goodness.
It's a 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid. It's the world's fastest SUV. It's at 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds.
For you.
But I know you don't care about that. It's also one of the safest SUVs. So.
Oh my gosh, babe. It's your family car, I guess, huh?
Yeah. Just press the button.
Wait, it doesn't open like the other one?
No. You have to press the button like this. And then the door opens by itself.
Fancy.
Look at the steering wheel.
Whoa! Sport mode. Plug in the garage, or?
I have it at my other house, so I'm just gonna have to buy one to install it here.
Back here now.
Yep.
Ew, all fancy. Oh my goodness. Remy, you're spoiled.
They got us a gift for Remy. It's the only one in the entire country.
Only one.
Yep.
She's so spoiled.
Because it's an official Tesla one.
Wow.
Isn't that super cool?
We gotta put it in and take a pic.
Oh, I know.
Ah.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys again so much for allowing me to kind of just like share my story. It's absolutely just insane, right? If you guys have followed me for a while, I was just, a young kid in my 20s filming and uploading videos of things that I like to do. It is crazy to kind of now look back, me starting a family, and it's one of the coolest things. I have a lot of people asking me, right? A lot of people normally ask, how does it feel to drive supercars? How does it feel to own supercars, to have a following, to do well in life? One thing that I want to share with you, especially to all the father figures out there, just all the parents in general, it's insane what it feels like to be a father. In comparison to any other accomplishment I've ever had, I've ever done, have ever purchased, right? Anything. it does not compare to it by any means. It's so fulfilling. My respect for women and Rachel, the process that you have to go through for the pregnancy is insane, and there's a reason that women do it and not men, because I don't think that we would be able to tolerate it. So thank you for everything it is that you do. Thank you for allowing me to introduce my family to my YouTube family now. And I really hope that I can continue making these videos. Please consider dropping a thumbs up if you feel like I earned it. Consider subscribing. And if you have any specific videos that you would like me to film, please just comment those down below, and I would love to follow up with it. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a read now. Take it easy, team.